Hello everyone. Today, we will go through how to register on Binance, deposit funds, and start trading futures. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to follow the process step by step without difficulty. The official registration link is available in the description section below this video. If you create your account using that link, you can receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Be sure to use the link so that you can enjoy these advantages. First, let's take a look at how to create a Binance account. When you click the link provided in the video description, the Binance website will open automatically. Once the page loads, you should see that the 20% fee discount has already been applied. You may also notice additional promotional rewards displayed on the screen. At this stage, you can choose to sign up using either your email address or your mobile phone number. After entering your information, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then press Continue to proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to complete a quick image verification. Select the picture that matches the word displayed on the screen. After finishing this step, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Enter the code you received to verify your account. Now create a strong password for your Binance account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If you see a referral code input field, enter SKY333. Entering this referral code will activate additional account benefits. You will receive a 20% trading fee discount along with extra bonus rewards. For this reason, it is recommended to enter the code before completing the registration. After completing all of these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, we will move on to the identity verification process. KYC verification is required in order to deposit funds, withdraw assets, and trade on Binance. Since this process includes facial verification, we will complete it using a smartphone. Download the Binance app and open it on your mobile device. Log in using the account you just created. You will then be automatically redirected to the verification page. Start by selecting your nationality from the list. For demonstration purposes, I will select India. Next, choose the type of identification document you want to submit. In this example, we will proceed using passport verification. Tap the Take Pictures button to begin. Then press Continue to activate the camera. Place your passport clearly within the frame and take the photo. Make sure the image is clear and does not contain glare or shadows. The next step is facial verification. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once the process is finished, your identity verification request will be submitted. The verification review typically takes about 1 hour. After the review is completed, the verification status will be updated. Now let's improve the security of your account by enabling Google Authenticator. Open the account menu. Then go to the Security section. Select the Manage option. Enable the Authenticator app feature. Enter the security code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will then appear on the screen. Download Google Authenticator and open it on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Select the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, the application will generate a 6-digit authentication code. Return to the Binance page and click the Next button. Enter the 6-digit code shown in the Google Authenticator app. After completing this step, the two-factor authentication setup will be finished. Secondly, let's take a look at how peer-to-peer trading works on Binance. Start by tapping the wallet icon in the top right corner of the screen. The spot wallet holds the funds used for standard spot trading. In contrast, the futures wallet is used specifically for futures trading positions. At this stage, be sure to select the spot wallet. Next, press the deposit button located in the upper right section. From the options that appear, select Buy with USD via peer-to-peer. Carefully read the terms and conditions displayed on the screen and agree to them at the bottom. Check the confirmation box and press the button below to move forward. To start buying, switch to the Buy tab. Select the coin you want to purchase. Most people trade using USDT, as it typically has high trading volume and low volatility. Next, choose your local currency and enter the amount you want to buy. After that, select the payment method you would like to use. A list of sellers who are currently offering USDT will then be displayed. For better security, it is advisable to select sellers with many completed transactions. You should also review their rating and order completion rate. When you find a trustworthy seller, tap Buy USDT next to their offer. Before continuing, read the seller's payment instructions carefully. Enter the exact amount of USDT you want to purchase. If everything looks correct, tap Buy USDT to proceed. On the next screen, the seller's name and payment details will appear. Depending on the payment option, a QR code might also be shown. Before sending the payment, check any messages from the seller in the chat window. Then send the payment using the selected payment method. Once the payment is completed, return to the Binance page. Tap Transferred, notify seller to let the seller know that the payment has been sent. Upload 1 to 3 images as proof that the payment was made. Then tick the confirmation box to agree to the statement provided. Finally, press Confirm to complete this step. After waiting briefly, tap the wallet icon again. From the menu that appears, select the spot wallet again. You should now see that the USDT has been successfully added to your balance. Third, let's walk through how to trade futures on Binance. Before opening a futures position, you first need to transfer your funds. Begin by accessing your spot wallet. Then tap the transfer button in the upper right corner. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USDM futures. After that, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the details carefully and tap Confirm. After a few seconds, the funds will appear in your futures wallet. To start futures trading, tap Futures in the top menu. From the available options, select USDM futures. You will then arrive at the futures trading interface. Tap the icon in the upper left corner to open the market list. Choose the trading pair you want to trade. On the right side of the screen, you will find the order and position control panel. First, open the margin mode settings. With cross margin mode, your entire available balance supports the position. With isolated margin mode, only the margin assigned to that trade is at risk. For beginners, using isolated margin is usually the safer choice. Next, set your preferred leverage level. On Binance, leverage can be adjusted up to 150x. Higher leverage can increase profits, but it also significantly raises risk. If you are new to futures trading, a leverage level of around 3 to 5 times is recommended. Below that, you can select the type of order you want to place. A limit order allows you to enter a trade at a specific price you choose. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. Below this section, you can see your available margin balance. In this area, input your order price and the size of your position. Now decide the direction of your trade. If you believe the price will rise, tap Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to fall, tap Sell to open a short position. To track your trade, open the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. There you can see detailed information about your active position. Entry price represents the average price at which your position was opened. Mark price indicates the current reference market price. If the market reaches the liquidation price, the position will be automatically closed. P&L shows your profit or loss in real time. To manage your risk, tap the pencil icon next to TPSL. Finally, this section includes the button used to close your position. When you want to exit the trade, select the Market Close All option. Then choose either Market or Limit to close the position. Once this step is completed, the position will be fully closed. In this video, I guided you through the entire process, from creating a Binance account to placing futures trades. Each step was explained clearly and in order so that even beginners could follow along easily. Your likes and subscriptions help this channel grow and allow more people to discover these guides. Thank you sincerely for watching and staying until the end of the video.